Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
I am Shani Villarma, 37 years old. I am married. I have two children. There are two boys, 17 years old and 13 years old. I live in Alicia, Isabela, Philippines. I have four sisters and three brothers, and I am the second child of the family. I am a college graduate of 2-year course, Associate in Office Administration, Major in Office Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have work experience here in Philippines as a helper. I serve 3 members in the family, the couple and the one child, for 9 months old. And I do all household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, washing, and marketing. And my main duties is cleaning. And I have experience also in Singapore as domestic helper. I serve 3 members in the family, the couple and the one child. I do all household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing the car, and do marketing with my employer. And my main duties is cleaning.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will secure the safety of the children when the baby is sick. I will check the body temperature and I will tell my employer that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am responsible, hardworking, honest.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, I have cesarean surgery 13 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for the needs of my family and for the financial studies of my children.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will make myself busy at my work, and I will tell myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 10 p.m. and I woke up 5 to 6 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and be calm.
Do you accept the day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook Chinese food?
Yes. I will learn more.
Okay.
I'm willing to learn more.
Yeah. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, can. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know what A, B, C.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, ma'am, sir, when you hire me, please hire me as your helper. I will serve your family with all my best.